Very good afternoon to all the citizens of this country. It really gives me an immense pleasure to wish you all a very happy 74th Independence Day celebration. On this occasion, I would like to give a message to all the citizens of this nation that irrespective of caste and creed, we all are one and always we shall remain one. Irrespective of different religions, Hindu, Christians, Sikh, Buddhists, Jains, India is a country where we all live as brothers and sisters. So let's always try to maintain the peace and harmony of this nation. So this is the message for this Independence Day. And as well, all our parents as well as our neighbors are witnessed Manahil School. This is our 28th year of the academic excellence. Here, every year, Independence Day, we celebrate with lots of patriotism, with lots of participation of peoples, students, neighbors. We always take a rally on this occasion. We take all the students to the statue of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar and we felicitate Ambedkar statue on this particular day also. As you all know, our chairman sir, Mr. Nawab Jan Qureshi, is no more with us. Further, we shall continue all the deeds, all the activities of school as it used to be before, and all the events and all the programs of the school will remain same with the association of our managing committee and all the other board of directors. Of course, sir had given lots of service to this institution. Sir was really an inspiring person to this institution. He inspired many students in his life. He inspired many peoples in his life. And the best example I can give my own self. He was the mentor. He was my guide. He was my dad. Overall, I can tell as he was really a good human being to this society. It's not only school has lost a good person, school has lost the chairman, whereas I could also mention that society has lost a good person who is always helping in nature, who always used to come forward to solve all the issues of peoples at any part of the time. So we really remember sir for his dedicated service. His services are really unforgettable ones. So let's pray to God that let his soul rest in peace. With this, I would like to add another important event of the school, that was the SLC results. SLC results, of course, all our 10th standard batch students, we are proud on them that they got us a very good result this time. As every year, we saw even this year, students has scored 97%, 95%, 93%, 90%, and overall we had 85% of results. So as to tell, into individual subjects, in Kannada, students have taken 100 out of 100. In Hindi, 100 out of 100 students have taken. And English, out of 125 being first language, our students have got 180 marks. And maths students have got 86. And science students have got 96. And social students have got 97. These are the marks of our students, which really makes our entire team of teachers proud on the students of this year. So I would like to thank once again to everyone. Thank you. I would like to add another important major point. As you know, the pandemic what is going on, and at this time all should stay at home and should stay safe at home. With this, our teachers and we have started online classes to the students not to forget with the studies, not to get demotivated. We have started online classes where every day students are getting an opportunity to be in touch with the studies, to teachers are getting an opportunity to complete the syllabus as well, guide the students and cover the portions for this academic year. Thank you.
Hello viewers, on behalf of Manahil English High School, I would take the privilege of wishing one and all Happy Independence Day, 74th Independence of our nation, paying a tribute to all the freedom fighters. We used to celebrate this day with utmost great pomp and show. Of course, today's situation is allowing us to celebrate this day with maintaining social distance with a few number of people, which we have done it with utmost care. The second part, on behalf of Manahil English High School, I would like to wish all our students of this institution a great message to you all that our school has backed up with 85% of school result of SSLC examination 2019 and 20 this year. Heartiest congratulations to all the students, those who had appeared for the board examination of this academic year. With this, I would also like to congratulate to the parents as well as to the students, relatives of these students who stood distinction holders of this institution. Totally, we have 6 distinction for this academic year of this, as well with 48 first classes. So it's a great message to the other students of this institution that the school, in spite of all the hard efforts of all the teachers and the hard situation what everyone is going through with this is a great result. So I wish heartiest congratulations to all the students for giving us such a good results. Amongst this, I would especially like to give the congratulations to Mariam Abdul Salim, Muzammil Rahman and Mehek Fatima, who really made us happy by giving a very, very good results. Heartiest congratulations to all the parents for their good efforts of their wards. So it's not only this 10th standard batch. With this, I do understand that the other batch, that's the last year's batch, 2020 and 21's batch, will also give us the same result. With this expectation, I once again congratulate all these students, and I end up my speech by giving a message that as the situation is quite very tough, so let us all unity in diversity. So with this message, I would like to end up my speech. Thank you.